Hello everyone, and welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Okay, thanks. So today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. I mentioned on one of my stuffings that y'all, I've been spending money. I got bad news that I'm an emotional eater, so I went a little left, but I need to come back right. Okay, so I only have a few dollars in my budget for groceries, so I'm shopping my pantry today. Oh shoot, wait a minute, y'all, I gotta go get my So the pasta that I'm cooking, it should be coming off the stove. That's why I'm rushing back here, because nobody wants a well-done pasta. This is the pasta right here, and I am about to dump it. Oh, I'm sorry to rush y'all like that, but I didn't want to overdone pasta, okay? And this is the first time using that. So I'm gonna show y'all now what I found in my pantry. I had picked up, I will find the receipt right now. There's my receipt. I spent $11.35. So basically $12 yesterday, and that was just getting meat. I have some meat in my freezer, but I really just wanted to make this pasta that I've been wanting to make for a while. But I bought the pasta a little bit ago, and I wanted to make ground beef. I bought ground beef, and I bought sausage so I can like mix them all together in a pot. And then I'm just going to add some. Basically, my grandma told me what to do. Let's just be real. So let me show you guys what I've decided to make. Now, this is just one quick and easy meal. I don't like to prep too much food at the same time, because then I get tired of it. These are the meats I bought yesterday. There's this Johnsonville mild Italian sausage. It had the least amount of salt. I've really got to watch my salt. I went to the doctor and she upped my blood pressure medicine. And y'all, she talking about giving me another medicine. I don't want it. So I'm trying to really watch it. And then some ground beef. And I'm going to mix those together for the sauce. Also, your girl had no sauce left in the house. So I had this tiniest bit of this ragu sauce here. And I mean, we were down here. But I was like, well, we might as well finish it, right? Because we're pantry shopping. And I did say I was going to spend maybe $20 a week to try and like make it and then use whatever is left in the pantry. I have no more sauce. So I took a little bit of this, and then I had some beef broth, and I poured a cup of beef broth, and I swirled it up, threw that in there. And then I had only one can, y'all, of no salt added diced basil, garlic, oregano. And so I cut that can, I put that in, and then I just added like garlic, onion, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, oregano, I think I said that, a little bit of honey to cut some of the harsh acidity, black pepper, and when I mean a pinch of salt, I mean a pinch of salt, because I tasted it without the salt and it was like, there was like nothing there. So I've got that bubbling on the stove, just kind of to let it simmer down while I cook all the rest of the ingredients. That is looking like right now. Okay, just like on low, because it was already bubbling. So I got that going. Let me turn up a tad bit. Then also I got lucky for fruit, because I almost picked up pineapples when I was at Walmart, and then I put them back down because I remembered my coworker, something happened at work, and we had a crate of pineapples. And this is why it's nice to be nice to other people. Every time we have food on the other side, I bring her some. And so she thought of me when they had strawberries and bought me like a little case of strawberries. And so my strawberries is going to be my fruit. I have bananas back there from last week, which are really too ripe. I don't like when my bananas are super ripe. So what I might do is I might try to make some banana muffins or banana bread. Although I don't know if I have flour, but I have enough money left in the $20 budget to get flour if I need to. But speaking of the strawberries, I took them out in some vinegar water right now, just letting them soak, and then I'll take them out. And I have this container here where I can put them and leave them open and let them drain as they stay out. As though when you have them covered or whatever, they don't last as long, if that makes sense. What else? So I got my pasta sauce going. Those are my meats. And then my pasta is now in the sink draining. I've never had it. It's this... it tastes like sweet potato. The sweet potato pasta. It's I don't think I like it. I ain't gonna lie. It's made with sweet potato. It's veggie craft. It's supposed to have protein, 23 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber. Oh my god, y'all, pray with me that the sauce and the meat make it better, because baby, I don't like it. I don't, just eating it, I don't like it. Anyway, that is the plan for using my pantries for this first couple of days. Hope it was some inspiration. Check your pantry, see what you have. I was able to only spend basically $12 this week to make some pasta and stuff. I have bagels from last week, so I can use the bagels and peanut butter for lunch like I did this last week. So I can do that. But I'm sure you could probably purchase like oatmeal, not the quick one, but like the rolled oats, and make them and have those for breakfasts if you're a breakfast eater. And check your pantry for rice and chicken or anything you have in the fridge. You can always do rice and chicken and like a one-pot meal. Just some ideas. I don't eat that many meals, so I'm not really good at this for y'all, like cooking all the meals. But that's just what I'm doing for this week. I hope this was helpful to someone. I'll let you guys see when everything is put together and done. All right, y'all, so that pasta is not gonna work for me. So I already had some, and now I'm done with it. I just finished out this little spiral pasta that I already had in the pantry, and now I actually do need to buy more spiral pasta. But whole wheat, I think I can do whole wheat, because I'm not gonna mess up my whole meal. I don't think I'm gonna like that sweet potato pasta. So we had to shift gears, and I just looked at my freezer. I have chicken and meatballs, so later on during the week I might do like meatball subs, or probably chicken, because I'm already doing ground beef earlier in the week. You know, try to switch it up. I have a slight headache. Hope your meal prepping is going good. Let me know down below what you ended up making if you did a pantry challenge this week. Alright guys, so I poured in my noodles, and I had some frozen mixed vegetables, because I looked at my meal and I was like, there are no vegetables here. So I poured in some mixed vegetables, but looks like right now I'm trying to heat through the mixed frozen vegetables. I don't feel like there's enough sauce, and I don't have any more sauce because I had to make the one I had in the first place. So I'm going to do something weird. The only sauce I have is this Alfredo sauce. And I know it sounds weird, at least it does to me, but I'm gonna put some in there because I need to have a little bit more sauce in this. This is what we're talking about, pantry, right? Right? I put like that much. Now I'm gonna stir it up. To me, that already looks better, has a little more sauce. I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer down for a little while. And I do actually still have some leftover Parm cheese, so I'll sprinkle a little bit on that as well. Alright guys, so that's it. I've got my strawberries here drying. I put them in the fridge, took them out the vinegar water, and then I have my pasta that is done. That's gonna last me a couple days. There's a lot and it's only me. And again, I've got meat in the freezer, so maybe I'll do a quick video of if I do make something out the pantry during the week and share with you guys. But that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Check out your, oh, let me try it, because mixing and matching, I don't know. Huh. That's pretty good. I could eat that. I thought that cheese sauce was gonna make it taste super weird, but it tastes fine. It's okay. It's good. I will be able to eat that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those other noodles I made though. I'm gonna see if my sister wants them because she's a much healthier eater than me. I'll try brown noodles next time. And I have some lentil noodles that I have to try in there. We'll try those. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some ideas to do things in your pantry. I would love to see what meals you come up with in your kitchen. Share them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just year, but what? Forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just hands. Hand.